Why Herbalife?
Why Herbalife?
Why Herbalife?
Why Herbalife?
Why now?
Why now?
Great products.
The ability to send your child to a great school.
Meet new people.
A great company.
Changing people's lives.
Why Herbalife? Because it's newer, it's fresher. Leading experts behind the products, providing leading expertise and support to distributors all over the world. You can be confident in the products. That's why.
Why Herbalife? Because it's great to be your own boss, keep your own hours and be an independent distributor for a leading wellness company with great products. That's why.
Why Herbalife? Our personal selling approach means your customers get the support and advice that they wouldn't get from a shop. That's why.
Why Herbalife? Because Herbalife is a company that gives back. Take the Herbalife Family Foundation, for instance, completely dedicated to improving children's lives by helping organisations around the world provide healthy nutrition to children at risk. That's why.
Why now? The products have never been better, the training has never been better, and the support has never been better. That's why.
Why Herbalife? Because we've got the science behind us. Our nutrition advisory boards are comprised of distinguished professors, award-winning scientists. We have the scientific affairs team which sets the standard by which others in the industry are measured. We have an ongoing programme of clinical research studies to demonstrate the power of our products. That's why.
Why now?
Why Herbalife? I'll give you 6 great reasons. Number 1, be your own boss. Number 2, work flexible hours. Number 3, work from your home. Number 4, work part-time or full-time. Number 5, become financially independent. Number 6, travel the world. Sounds great to me.
Better health. Why now? Herbalife is a brand that is backed with the strongest ethics and values. That's why.
Because you can be your own boss.
Why Herbalife? Because in this economic climate, everybody needs money. And everybody wants to be able to afford the things they don't have now. Let's face it, it's a scary time for all of us. That's why.
Because people are losing their homes and going broke.
Feel good about helping all those people that have just lost their jobs.
Feel good.
Why now? Because if there's one thing you can count on, it's Herbalife. I'm serious. For over 28 years, our products, people and business opportunity have improved millions of lives all around the world. Think about it. 1.9 million independent distributors in 70 countries with record sales of $3.5 billion. That's incredible. That's why.
Why now? Because even if you're working full-time, your annual pay rise won't keep you up with today's cost of living anymore.
Why now? The worldwide economy is in serious trouble. More and more people are losing their jobs, and we have a worldwide obesity epidemic. You can help others manage their weight, look good, feel good, earn part-time or full-time income, and be their own boss. That's why.
Why now? Well, don't you want to provide a great life for your children? What about university fees? How are you going to afford that?
Why now? Have you seen the latest reports on house repossessions? If you own a home, then you'll know what I mean. If you don't, you may not be able to, unless you do something to boost your income.
Why Herbalife? Because it's your own business and you're in control.
Why Herbalife? Use the products, see the results, and that's a story on its own. That's why.
Why Herbalife? Why now? You've got to be convinced by now, so get out there and do it. Use the product, wear the button, be the brand, and talk to as many people as you can.
So what are you waiting for?
What are you waiting for?
Share this video with 10 people. That's your first step.
For starters, talk to everybody you know.
I mean 10 people, 15 people. Why stop at 15 people, 20 people, 30 people?
Come on.
Share it with everybody.